Here's what you will see when you log into your Canvas course. In the center will always be announcements, and there will be a new announcement every day, and you'll always see the last 3 announcements, and when you click on them, it tells you exactly what you're supposed to do. Let's see if I can do that here. Yes, and they'll even have hyperlinks as to where you're supposed to go and what you're supposed to do. So the announcements come in handy, but over here, there's a to-do list. These are things that I have to do tonight. Before I go to bed, I have things constantly coming in, and it tells me here what I have to do. I can follow exactly what I have to do here in my modules. And each of these modules tells you that you must complete them all. And every time you click one of them, it gives you exactly how you will complete that module with instructions and how to download and upload, etc. So that's very important. But if you really want to make sure that you have done what you're supposed to do, you can click on your grades. And when you do that, you'll see right here what grades you have and what grades you still need to have. Now, one of the most important things that you're going to need is, if I go back here to this module here, the participant, the schedule and checklist. And that is right here, I think. There it is, schedule and checklist. And it tells you every day of the week what you need to do. And you check it on your grades to make sure you've done it. And really, step by step, it becomes quite intuitive in a very short time. So I wish you good luck, and if you have questions, use the Q&A forum, and everyone in the class, everyone is encouraged to answer your questions.